So we are talking about the third question. Let's draw the diagram again. $240, that's our mean. And the question is 200 and 260. So basically they are asking you to calculate this area. That's our goal. So looking at this question, how many z-scores we need to calculate? We need to calculate 2 z-score, one for 200, one for 260. So this is how we are going to start. The first one will be z 200 equal 200 minus 240 divided by 80. That is 40 over 80, which is what? 0.40 divided minus 0.5, right? Are you guys with me?
Is that a negative?
Yeah. You subtract 200,
Okay.
240 from 200. Use the formula. And why do you think we have a negative sign? Because this number you are calculating is less than the mean and it is on the left side of the curve. That's why we have a negative sign. So that's the z-score for 200, which is minus 0.5. But when you are going to calculate or find out what is the area from this table, do you think that minus is going to matter to you? Minus is not going to matter to you. So from this place, from this table, 0.5, we get this area, 0.1915. That's the area from here to here, this area. Now we need to calculate the area from 240 to 260. So we'll write z 260 equal 260 minus 240 over 80. That is 20 over 80 equal 0.25. 0.25. Then we look at this table again. Let's look for 0.2 and go to the right, look for 0.05 column. So what do we have? 0.0987, right? 0.0987. 0.0987. So the first area, first z-score of 200 gives us this area. The second z-score for 260 gives us this area. So what will be the area between 200 and 260? Yes, add them together. Look at the diagram. This is what you want. This is what they're asking you to do. The first z-score gives you this area. The second z-score gives you this area. Now you are talking about the total area. So what do? You add them up. So you will write the possibility or probability that a candidate would take between 200 and 260 hours. So that will be 0.1915 plus 0.0987. What do we get? 0.2?
2902.
0.2902, which translates to 29%. So we will simply write the probability that a candidate would take between 200 and 260 hours to complete the course is, and then we will add these two and transfer that one to a percentage, 29%. Okay.